Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up settings. From here we're gonna scroll all the way down to system management and scroll down and you'll find backup and reset. Erase all data, and you wanna check this, format phone storage, and select clear now. Now we are blocked by 5 seconds right here, letting us know that this will erase all data from your phone system space and cannot be undone. So if you do want to keep something, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, proceed by selecting erase. And this will now begin the process, which will take probably a couple minutes to finish up. Once it is, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.